The Language Learner's Prayer, written by Khatzumoto, posted in November of 2009. I know you have kids. I know you have a job. I know you're busy. I know your friends are making fun of you. I know your spouse is giving you funny looks. I know people make double takes when they see you holding a Japanese book. I know you live in the boonies and there are no Japanese people around. I know you don't have language midichlorians like me and AppleMilk. I know. So let me ask you, are you the world's bitch? What are you going to do? Is this how you want to play? Does the world own you? Does it have you turning tricks for cigarettes? Are you going to keep being the world's bitch? Or are you going to bite its hand off, spit it out, wipe the blood off of your face, and maybe use some mouthwash? You're going to want to disinfect things somehow and start making decisions for yourself? Or are you going to keep being the world's bitch? Because that's a decision you can make too. You can decide to have the world decide for you. It'll gladly tell you what to wear, who to be, where to live, how to live, what to put into your mouth, what to put into your mind, what to expect, what not to expect, what to accept, what to believe, what to read, what to watch, what to listen to, when to wake up, when to go to sleep, when and how to use what vehicle to take you where it tells you. Either way, you decide. Bitch. I'm not saying you should ignore other people and follow my instructions. Banana smoothie guzzling, Japanese speaking, 26-year-old cat owners probably shouldn't be high on your list of mentors. I'm merely suggesting that you might consider following your own instructions for a change. Whatever those instructions may be, and maybe you can't change everything overnight, but guess who ultimately suffers most if you continue being a you-know-what for the next 2, 5, 10, and 50 years? Don't you think you deserve better? Aren't you worthy of dignity? Isn't the real improvement of your condition worth the temporary inconvenience of minor pattern disruptions, especially disruptions to patterns you don't like that much anyhow? Well, that was all very family-friendly. I think I've been watching far too much Oz. You know what? I'm sorry. I have no right to talk to you this way. You come here to be inspired, not abused. Let's put this whole foul-mouthed post behind us, okay? Let's say a prayer together. Everyone always says AJATT is a cult anyway. Let's prove them right. Let's be spiritual soldiers together. Here it is, the Language Learner's Prayer. Oh, Richard Dawkins, grant me the serenity to quit whining about not being a child, the courage to show people where they can put it, and the wisdom to know when to ignore them and focus on input, which apparently is most of the time, because any of that would be better than being the world's bitch. In the name of Karl Popper, EOF.